Hey guys, welcome back. This is the final video on the chassis welding and painting. Managed to finish that off in this video, so hopefully it's useful. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment or subscribe, that'd be great. Next thing I think on this video will probably be putting together either the front suspension or rear suspension, or I might start looking at some of the welding on the Beetle body. Well, I'm not quite decided yet, but we'll see where we go. This has been a painful labour of love, to be fair, but I've also learnt loads about welding. But we're now at the point where we're going to rust proof it with the special rust stuff I've got, and then spray. First of all, this goes on. So this is Rustblast. We need to get it on there, keep it damp for about half an hour, and then rinse it off. And then we will be using 10:1 mix of rust seal. And again, this is KBS. This is like, it's a bit like POR 15, but it's locally made in Australia, so I was keen to use it. So the Rustblast itself, it's a water-based product, and I'm going to mix it up in this spray bottle and spray it on. You've got to keep it damp for about 30 minutes. The interesting thing about this is it does say ideal application temperature is 15 to 27 degrees, and I think we're a little bit warmer than that today. I think we're just around 30, so maybe it's a bit warm, but we'll see how we go. Okay, that's on there pretty good, so you can see it's quite slick with it. And what's really interesting is this, where it started just to flash rust across, it's actually already converted itself back. The conversion has already started, so that's really interesting actually how fast that's happened. So we're just trying to keep this wet now for another sort of 15 minutes or so. Then I'll wash that down and flip it over, and then we'll start again with the underside. Okay, now the more interesting part for me is going to be applying the rust seal with some thinner mix into my spray gun and spraying it on. Looks like a fair amount. We're for about 250 milliliters, and I guess 25 mil of thinner. As you can see, it is shiny. So the paint went on pretty well on the whole. It wasn't great with the spraying. I had to finish off with the brush because that Black Ridge gravity-fed spray was useless in the end. So I have to do something about that. But on the whole, it's turned out really well, and I'm really happy. I'm really pleased to have had it done. As I say, the next thing will be either to get going on some suspension work to piece the chassis back together with the wheels, or possibly not, I might start getting into some of the Beetle body and some of the welding is going to be needed inside here. So that will be a whole new adventure. So we'll see where we go. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you on the next one.